In the wild, where instincts roar and strength echoes, a spirit reigns supreme, the wolf, a force of raw instinct, unwavering strength, and an indomitable drive to survive. Wolves, the legendary predators, aren't just creatures, they're life's untamed mentors. As it is said, the lion and tiger may be more powerful, but the wolf does not perform in the circus. So here's the power-packed wisdom from the mighty wolf. Lesson 1. Loyalty. Unity is strength, and wolves know the power of the pack. They're loyal as hell to their pack, always got each other's backs, with everyone's role clearly defined in the pack. They live by the motto of one for all and all for one. Wolves show us loyalty isn't just a word, it's a damn oath you live by. And family isn't just blood, it's the ones you die for. Lesson 2. Independence. Just like some people get shunned in life, wolves sometimes are cast out of their pack by their more dominant member, and they become lone wolves. Yet being a lone wolf has its lessons too. The lone wolf roams freely, guided by its own instincts. These lone wolves get super good at taking care of themselves. They learn how to hunt and survive all on their own, like a one-man army. The lesson here is, there's strength in standing alone, in carving your own path through the uncharted, because that's what makes us unique. Be unapologetically you, my friend, for in that authenticity lies the true essence of your strength. Lesson 3. Resilience. Wolves don't just survive, but thrive in the harshest corners of Earth. Mountains, ice caps, deserts, even sweltering plains. You name it, they've mastered it. They're not picky about climate. They make the most of whatever the wilderness throws their way. They face challenges head-on. They know how to adapt and overcome. They show us how to prove our resilience. Let this be our guiding howl, brother. Embrace the bite of the bitter wind, the sting of the sun, and show the world you can thrive where others wither. Lesson 4. Leave your mark. Alright, so wolves may leave their mark in a unique way, by urinating or rubbing against things. But for us humans, it's not just literally possible. The real takeaway? Leave your mark in life, not with an aromatic approach, but with something extraordinary. You've got one shot at this journey, so do something you love and make your mark on the world. Because in this life, it's not about blending in, it's about standing out. Leave your mark, leave it bold. The wolf doesn't just survive, it evolves, adapts, and thrives, and so can you. Remember, it's not over till it's over, and when it's over, it just begins again. Don't forget to leave your mark here if you have learned something today. Until next time.